My name is Ronnie, and today we are going to be talking about how these soldiers have saved our lives and how they're risking their lives for us also. So first we are going to talk about care packages. As you can see, we have a little care package down here. We are going to be filling it with stuff like right now. So first up we have Java Genesis coffee, have snack, Reese's, Oreos, toothpaste and toothbrush, some sunscreen, jerky beef bar, some fruit snacks, sanitizer so they can wash their hands, hairbrushes and hair combs, brush their hair, Cheez-Its, some more snacks, socks so they have warm feet, because you never know, it might be cold there where they fight. Never know. A I honor coin that we made to honor the soldiers. We always put one of these in each package. In this case, care packages. And then Colgate, toothpaste and mouthwash in one. Two things in one. And then that's pretty much all that's it that we have to pack. So that's the whole care package complete. And you could also help by donating money on our website called IHonorUSA.com. And you could also visit our Facebook page, I Honor Your Service to USA. Thank you.